All right, breaking down the bench setup. So what I have you do is you're going to position your body so the crown of your head is hanging off the back side of your bench, okay? And then you're gonna take your feet and you're gonna tuck them back. You're gonna keep them there. As you push your hands on the side of your rack, and you're gonna slide your eyes under the bar. Now in this process, you're going to take your shoulder blades and tuck them towards each other and towards your ass at the same time. So the shoulder blades are going together and down, okay? So shoulders towards my butt. What I'm trying to do is rotate this rib cage up. I'm not trying to arch my lower back. Will your lower back arch a little bit? Yes, but that's not the goal. The goal is to get this rib cage up. So I'm pretending that someone has a rope on my rib cage and pulling my rib cage up, okay? Activating the back. Now, the second part of this is hand position. So if you look at me from the front, if we take a video from the front, your hand, I've seen a lot of people putting their hands narrow in here, okay? So when you come down into your bench, look at the angle on my elbow to my wrist. See how it's not straight? Okay, that's not the hand position. So I'm gonna have you put your pinky or ring finger on this ring here, okay? So ring finger or pinky finger, okay, or middle finger, anywhere in here, make sure you're choosing the same finger on each side so your hands are even. Now watch the alignment here. So when I come up and out and I come down, my elbows are underneath my wrists, okay, as I'm benching. So you need to make sure that we have alignment. The second thing now is where the bar is touching, okay? So when I come down, I want that bar to touch on your rib cage. Then you're gonna press over the nipple, to the rib cage, over the nipple, to the rib cage, over the nipple, okay? I don't want you benching to the breast and to straight line up, okay? This is not what I want. I want here, rib cage, over the nipple. Why? Because if you fail here, okay? I can hang out here all day long with a bar on my chest. I could hang out with 135 pounds here. But what happens when you fail, plus you're using your lats and all the correct muscles. But if I'm benching up in my shoulders and traps, what happens when I fail here? Okay, this is not where I want you to be, okay? So number one, it's safer to be benching here, and you get to engage your lats, right? And it's more dangerous to bench up here. So I want you doing it right, plus it's safer. Now, the second concept is pulling your belly up when you bench. I need you to pull your belly up when you're benching, okay? I don't want you to come down and collapse your chest, okay? That's not what we want. We want you to plank pulling yourself in. So envision pulling yourself, right? Doing a plank pull into the bench, but you're in this position, right? Pulling yourself into the bar, pulling into the bar.